Hey y'all, welcome to the tutorial on how to do the Sublimation Clack fan. Right here you guys see me piecing the 3 pieces together. You are going to take your time and piece them together. Be patient and make sure everything is lined up. Put your 2 pieces, one at the top, one at the bottom. Turn it over. You want to make sure that you tape down that opening really good. Make sure you don't have no gaps or nothing in your tape. Make sure it's really flat and sealed really good. You're going to do that for both sides. After you get everything lined up, because that's going to take a little bit of minute, and be patient with it. Now you are ready to actually press your fan. You're just going to gently pull it apart from the fan staves as you see me doing here. Don't be scared. You're not going to tear it up. Just pull it on off of there, but don't like snatch it off. Right here you see me ironing it out to flatten it out. You want to make sure that it's as flat as possible so that you don't have any gaps or anything when you're taping it down, so that you don't get any ghosting. And I cut out some of the tape down that I did just to try to shorten the video a little, but you want to make sure that you have everything lined up. And I do have these templates and blank fans for sale on my website. And you're just going to take your time, tape it down. Like I said, just be patient. For those that may want the blank fans, I do have a big shipment coming in, and you'll be able to buy directly from me without having to wait for the super long shipping times. So yeah, you're just going to make sure that everything is taped down really good. And it may slide a little bit, but again, you are going to have to be patient, because you would rather be patient than to rush through it and mess it up, and then you mess up your blank, and then you wasted a blank, you wasted ink, you wasted paper. So yeah, so once you get all that done, then you are going to go to your heat press, and I press for 385 for 60 seconds. And as you see, I do not cover my design. I do not cover it with butcher paper. And you want to be able to see your design through the paper like that. That's when you know that it's good. It's good and pressed. And I'm just going to remove it from the tape. Again, just be gentle with it, because you don't want to rip your fan after all of that. You don't want to get this far into it and then you rip your fan taking the tape off of it. Now it's time to put it back together. And on the one side, you're going to see where it's the opposite side. So there for a second you saw me put it on the wrong side, but I had to fix that. And I am using multi-purpose glue. I got it from Michael's. It's the Recollections brand. And as you see, you just put you a strip of glue, and you will be able to see where the residue is left from the fan stave, so it'll be easy to put them back. And there you have it. That's your fan. And there we go. It's so pretty. This is from my customer. It came out so nice. You don't see any of the markings with. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lyrical Graphics, Designs and Tutorials, and fans, templates, and done for you fans available on the website. Thank you.